Hello everyone, this is Mary and welcome to my YouTube channel. Hey, are you going to do your IELTS speaking exam for the first time? Or have you done it before and you're going to do it again hoping to get a higher score? Well, in any case, you're at the right place. In today's video, I'm going to share a tip on how to improve the way you speak on the IELTS speaking exam. I have also put together a PDF on tips for doing well on the IELTS speaking exam, and it's totally free. So just hit the link below to get a copy. Also, please help me out by hitting the subscribe, like, and share buttons. So without further ado, let's get right into it. On the IELTS speaking exam, you need to have fluency when you talk. So what is fluency exactly? Just imagine the water that's flowing in the river. It's continuous, it's smooth, and it's non-stop. So when you speak to the examiner, you should try to do the same by making your speech flowing, continuous, and non-stop. Now remember, there are 3 parts to the speaking exam. Part 1 is about 5 minutes long, and the examiner will ask you about maybe 12 questions. You only need to give short answers on each of them. So about 2 to 3 sentences for each answer is good enough. Part 2 is about yourself. You're given a topic on a card, and then you get 1 minute to jot down your answer. Then, your speech is expected to be about 1 to 2 minutes long. Part 3 is a 2-way discussion between you and the examiner, and it focuses on your views about things in general, and is about 4 to 5 minutes long. The examiner will ask you about 4 to 6 questions in total. So now, we're going to look at a Part 2 question. So, here it is. Describe a day when you went outside your city. Now, this is an answer that's coming from somebody who hesitates, who has pauses and dead air. Listen to this. I went camping by the lake in the summer. Last summer. My friends and I, the 6 of us, we went fishing. We also went swimming and hiking. It was very fun. Okay, so that was the answer. So when you hear this, what's wrong with it? Well, number 1, there were a lot of pauses and dead air. And what's more, I had to look for the right words to say, and I kept repeating myself, really, really. So now if you do this, that's going to bring your score down. Okay, now listen to this one. This is a much better response, and it's flowing. I had a wonderful summer vacation last year. My friends and I went camping at Lake Simcoe. There were the 6 of us, and we set up 3 tents with 2 people in each. We went swimming, hiking, and fishing during the day, and built a campfire at night. We had an awesome time. Now, how does this sound compared to the first speech? Were there any pauses or hesitations or dead air? Were there any repeated words? Well, you guessed it right. The answer is no. The speech sounds fluent and everything flows smoothly. Notice when I say we had an awesome time, the word awesome is paused to put an emphasis on how I feel. So in conclusion, here are the key points to giving a fluent speech. Number 1, speak at a normal pace. Don't speak too slowly, but don't go too fast. Make sure it's clear. Just speak at a normal pace. Number 2, avoid having hesitations when you talk. Don't do like That's not going to help. Number 3, do not repeat the words or phrases over and over again. Like it was really, very, very, really, very, very, make up your mind. And number 4, give pauses and stress on the key words to emphasize how you feel. Like, I had an awesome time. So, let me mention, I have put together some simple tips on how to give a fluent speech on the IELTS exam. It's totally free. Just click on the link below to get yours. On my next video, I'm going to talk about how to give coherence in your speech. So please make sure to tune in. Well, thank you everyone for tuning in. Please hit the subscribe, like, and share buttons, and I'll see you again next time. Bye!